This is a US casino. Oh, nice. How nice. We have a bird. That's a US casino. Sands Casino, Niagara. Da, 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 da. You can see everywhere, everywhere. Welcome to Aunty Stephanie Trail. We check it out, the casino Niagara. Okay, we are stuck on the traffic that go back to US. Go back to Canada, not US. We just come from US. Oh my God, the car line up. Oh, I'm just behind the car here. And everything. Oh, I can still see the on this side. Still see on this side. Well, in the car I don't see that well. Okay. Oh my God, I can see the spinning wheel. The I don't know what kind of a wheel they call for the people that to go up, and fun wheel, I guess. Oh, it's moving. Very nice. Look at, wow. Very nice. I'm in the Rainbow Bridge to cross from US to Canada, but I still see everything from Canada. A lot of people, oh my God, a lot of people that they're going to go down. See, I told you, Donald, a lot of people walk from Canada to US. Look at, see the people walking from the Canada border to US border. Oh my God, that looks nice. You see the flag? That flag is US flag, probably half of the US border and half of the Canadian border between the flag. Doo-doo. Now you can see those US and Canadian in the border. Oh, yo, yo, yo. Oh, yo, yo, yo.
Get your 3/4 carat princess cut. 3/4 of a carat for $1,999.
Okay, I have to side of the bridge. See, that's from the state. And this, I don't know what's going on around here, but I can see that. Nice. Very nice. Hi, welcome to Aunty Stephanie. In this area that I don't know, I see the bridge but didn't connect with the state at all. That's way further of the fall. สูงขึ้นทั้งไกลจากฟ้อนหลายเติบเลย Don't see much of anything, but the water is still high wave, and like I see a lot of people coming and watch, a lot of people seeing, and a lot of car. Today is very busy. You couldn't believe that how busy we are. I couldn't believe that. See, everybody just parking to see what's going on. And I'm just, oh my God, what's going on? That's all. And the Stephanie Trail, that's US, and this Canada. Oh my God, look at the people in Niagara Falls today. In the state, it's not as much as in Niagara. If a Niagara Falls, it's no place to walk. Look at how much. Oh, this one is not a rain, it's a mist, okay, from the fall. Oh my God, look at people are jamming to one another. No mask. Everybody walking freely, like a free rolly. Look at how people move in, move out. My goodness. Even the car, I have to move part slowly because of too busy. Look at how busy they are. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's so busy. Oh, yo. Oh, okay. Oh. That's that's nice for the casino at night. Let's go. Oh, that's at night of the casino downtown. are you going? Oh, you see the casino at night? Wow, a downtown casino. You come and see everything. Oh, yo. I'm walking down to the fall at night right now. I do to be on my camera. Oh yeah, but he's taller than me. Oh, everybody going down to see the fall firework and the light on the fall. Because that day cannot film anything because it was rain. We hiding, everybody go home. A lot of people went home. Okay, welcome to Auntie's Stephanie Trail. Today is nice. Look at how many people. Oh my God. The people that wash in the waterfall and everything else. Look at how many people. Oh my God, today is very busy. Look at, you can see people. Oh my God, you see everybody. Oh my God, you see a whole bunch of people. Okay, everybody watched for the fireworks. That's a firework. Everybody love it. Please, welcome to Auntie Stephanie. Like, share, and subscribe, please. Thank you. That's the end of it.